Okay, hi, good morning everyone. We are from Group 1 and we are going to explain about that Achmad Module Unit 1 Exercise 13 about how to install WPS Office software. But first of all, let me introduce myself. My partner is Ahmad, Ridla Shobriy, and Ahmad Maulana Dani Akbar, and myself is Adesta Any Fitriani. Our topic today to discuss are what is WPS Office. The second is how to install and use WPS Office. First, what is WPS Office? WPS Office is a high-performing yet considerably more affordable solution that is recognized as a preferred alternative to Microsoft Office and is fully compatible and comparable to Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. If you want to more for information, click this link that we have provided here.
Now, how to install WPS Office and how to use it. First, you must download the WPS Office installer. To install it on your PC, the first step that you should do is go to this link to get the installer. Click download like in the picture. Next, you choose save file to download the WPS. If you using Google Chrome web browser, you will see the download progress on the bottom like this, wait until finish. After that, you open file WPS Office at the folder download. Next, you click the folder and a pop-up display appears as shown in the picture. Checklist: I have read and agree with WPS Office license agreement and privacy policy. Next, click install now. You can wait until finish installing the software.
Then click get started to start the application. Next, you choose sign in, create your username and password or click cross. Finally, the WPS Office installation is complete. Now, how to use WPS Office. If you want to open your WPS Office, you can click icon document on or spreadsheet or presentation or PDF. Select the icon according to your type file you want. In that case, I choose document and click icon blank to make new document. And that's all. Thank you for watching our presentation. And if you want to asking a question, you can write comment at this video. Thank you and goodbye.